Hello future CAs, welcome to the most awaited video expected question for CA Inter Law. Before I get into it, let's look at the video last time we posted got close to 52,000 views guys. Sir, but from that list, did any question come in the exam? Look at this. Out of 114 marks including choice and MCQ from our list last time, 83 marks came guys. It's not just last time, it's been coming for the last 4 to 5 years. Just that you did not know about this. Sir, what sir? Are you preparing the question paper? Are you having some patterns? Let me reveal the secret to you guys. Let me reveal the secret. Like how people analyze the share market, I have been analyzing the law paper right from May 2018, chapter wise. Let me show you a trend which is going to blow your mind before we get into our questions. Take share capital for example, such a big important chapter. Every attempt, first it came for almost 20 marks, then it came for 10 marks, then it came for just 10 marks. Then slowly, if you look at the trend, 5 mark question became 3 mark question, and then lately it started coming only for one question, guys. Like this, every chapter has a trend, a secret that we know. This is from old syllabus, of course, but now let me show you the trend, similar trends that is there even in new syllabus guys, even in new syllabus. Look at this. Now if I take charges, I have multiple trends, I'm going to show them to you. If I take charges, it did not come in May 24, it came in September 24, did not come in the latest Jan 25 exams. That means in my latest list, this is what you're waiting for May 25 exams list. I will explain the whole list guys. If I go to charges chapter, I would have mentioned, hey, don't skip this the day. Mandatory, it's going to come in May 25 exams, period. Please read it. Like this, I will be explaining for all chapters, guys. I'm going to show you these trends. Sir, last time you are saying, sir, it came for almost 83 marks. What is the proof, sir? Whatever list we published last time, that video is already there in Jan. Go look at that list. Mark wise, I have given you proof how many marks it has come. At least now you should believe this, guys. Now, let me get into the most important part of explaining this list, how to read. This is not some random list of, okay, this topic, read these questions. No, I have mentioned a lot of things in red pen. I'll explain at least for a few chapters so that you will know how to read this list, guys. But before that, I'm going to get to something very important. Free resources. Now students will be searching for where is the fast forward button. I will go to description, take the PDF from there. Sorry, this time I have not given the description in the, what to say, PDF below, guys. You have to wait and watch, only then you will know. Okay, just joking. Yeah. Now, important resources, I'm actually honestly telling you guys, these resources are game changers if you know to use them well. First, we have a law marathon for 16 hours which touched 1.25 lakh views. That means students trust it. Go watch that. That link is there in description. I have a Gen Z marathon where each chapter I revise in 10 to 20 minutes. Go watch that. Section number revision capsules are also available where I will just make you repeat sections each chapter, separate video. And we have 200 plus case study free MCQ with solutions. Once you put the answer, it will show you if it's correct or wrong, along with all our materials for free. All these are available. Let me tell you where they are available, guys. Don't worry. But before that, this time I have a huge bonus update. Okay, huge bonus update. Okay, one, we are going to do expected question revision marathon this time. I have never done this, guys. I'm going to revise all the expected question immediately after your accounts exam. At around 8 p.m. I will be going live, guys. Keep yourself free for those 3 hours. Marathon revision for 3 to 4 hours. First time I'm coming live before exam. I will revise it. It will be a video you can watch whenever you want. And lastly, I have recently curated our YouTube channel to have law last minute revision playlist for you guys. Instead of you searching for where all these resources I told you, no, all you have to do is go to our YouTube channel, guys. Of course, if you haven't subscribed, the smallest help you can do us is subscribe to the channel. Go down to the playlist, okay, and then I have neatly arranged all the playlist. Each subject you will have last minute resources, same is there for accounts, okay, and you also have for law last minute exam resources. If you just go into that playlist, beautiful videos are there. Review of all India rank 1 paper, how somebody got 75 in law. If you can spend 2 to 3 hours, go check them out fully, guys. It will be of huge help for you. Lastly, now look at this, guys. We have our law classes. Most of them know about this law classes, but just in case if you still need law classes, we have this amazing 50 hours workout batch where we have close to 30 hours of concepts and 20 hours of question discussion that I'm giving for all the students. And since exams are very nearby, I'm giving you all a special discount code because it's just last 10 days. It's EXP 50 where you get 50% off. So if you want to quickly revise some concepts, you can use this code, have validity of this power packed 50 hours discussion for exam, and you can go take this class if you need. Now let's get back to the most important list. Let me show you some patterns and then I will show you this list, and lastly I will tell you where to get this PDF also. Take the latest new syllabus trend, guys. Look at this. Like how I showed you share capital trend earlier, management is coming for about 15 marks in May. Then again in September, it just came for 5 marks. Now again in Jan, it came for 10 marks. Okay, similar trend is there in old syllabus also. That means this time I can say we may not get meetings for so many marks like last time. Rather, where we will get it, sir? Look at this. Look at this. Share capital, a chapter which used to get 15-20 marks, has dropped to 5 marks. One question of 2 marks, one question of 5 marks. If I say once, they can go back to how they did it before and they can immediately ask more questions from this chapter. That's why look at this. For share capital, this time expect at least 10 marks in May 25, guys. I'm telling you it's going to come. In the past, whatever we've told us important has come. Let me show you one more pattern over here. Look at this. Rarely incorporation chapter and all does it come for 10 marks, guys. It has never come. Look at this. Incorporation of company, May never it came. September it just came for one question of 5 marks, but this latest exam it came for 11 marks, guys. That means, is it going to repeat? No, this is one of an anomaly. That means this time incorporation is little less important compared to other chapters. But just because it's less important, you cannot skip it. I've at least given some basic questions that you have to go through. Similarly, I've given questions for all chapters. I've given it for FEMA also. I've given it for LLP Act. I've given it for General Clause Act and Interpretation of Statutes. It's coming for almost 16 marks. Both these put together comes for 16 marks, and believe me, it's so easy. If you have chosen to skip these 2 chapters, just give me 1 hour. I have a 1 hour other laws marathon of these 2 chapters. Watch that. In that we will cover at least these concepts. You go read for the exams and go for it. So this is how the expected question list is made, guys. Again, I'm telling you, please read whatever material you're reading. I'm sure that everybody will try to read the whole syllabus, but sometimes if you are not able to read the whole syllabus, at least ensure that these questions are covered for your exam, and it will minimum guarantee you good score. Sir, we are waiting, sir. When are you going to tell? Where are all the questions this time? The questions PDF is available in our Telegram group. The Telegram group link is available below this video in description itself. Join the Telegram group, and I have pinned the PDF over there. Why I'm doing that? When we go to our website, in website what is happening is it's asking for students OTP, which I felt okay, why so much hassle? Just come to Telegram. This PDF will be shared with you. I will leave you all with a beautiful message, guys. Wishing you most and more to ace your law exams. Go earn a lot of section 142. Go earn a lot of remuneration and get appointed as an auditor under section 139 very soon, guys. Thank you so much. All the very best for your exams.